Welcome back to Clean Travels. For today's quick Dubai getaway, we're heading to Jumeirah Beach Residence or JBR for another one-night staycation. As we make our way through the busy streets of JBR, surrounded by its iconic high-rise buildings, we can already catch a glimpse of Ain Dubai in the distance. Our destination today is Ramada Hotel and Suites by Wyndham Dubai JBR, where we'll be spending one night with breakfast included. We'll take you along for the hotel experience, show you our room, explore the walk at JBR in the afternoon, enjoy the beachfront views, and see what breakfast is like the following morning. So come along with us as we begin another simple Dubai staycation. This is Clean Travels, and let's get started. We arrived at the hotel excited for another quick Dubai getaway. One of the things we immediately liked about this hotel is its location. It's right in the JBR area, making it easy to explore the beach, restaurants, cafes, and the walk. After arriving, we headed inside to check in. Once everything was ready, it was finally time to go up and see our room. Now let's take a closer look at our one-bedroom suite here at Ramada Hotel and Suites by Wyndham Dubai JBR. As soon as we enter, there's a separate guest toilet on the left, while the bedroom is located on the right. And honestly, we were quite surprised by how spacious the bedroom is. There's a large, comfortable king bed with fresh white linens, upholstered headboard, bedside lamps, and simple artwork that gives the room a nice touch of color. Directly across from the bed is a wall-mounted TV, incorporated into an open shelving unit that also helps separate the sleeping area from the rest of the space. There's also plenty of room to move around, plus a full-length mirror and additional furniture for storage. This bathroom is surprisingly spacious as well. It comes with a large vanity and mirror, a toilet, and what I really like is that you get both a bathtub and a separate glass-enclosed shower. And finally, let's check out the balcony. It's a small private balcony with a chair and table, but it gives us a nice open view of the surrounding JBR buildings and the area below. And coming out of the bedroom, we have a really spacious living and dining area. There's a comfortable sofa and armchairs, a coffee table, and another wall-mounted TV. So the suite actually has a separate space where you can just sit back and relax. Right beside the living room is the dining area with a round dining table and 4 chairs. Very convenient, especially if you're staying for a few days or traveling with family. And this was another nice surprise. We also have our own kitchenette. It comes with plenty of cabinets, a countertop, sink, and cooking area. Inside the cabinet, we found a microwave, electric kettle, cups, complimentary bottled water, tea, and coffee. So you have the basics if you want to prepare something during your stay. With the bedroom, living room, dining area, and kitchenette all separated into their own spaces, this really feels more like a small apartment than a regular hotel room. After spending some time relaxing in our room later in the afternoon, we decided to head outside and explore the area. And this is one of the best things about staying here at the Ramada Hotel and Suites by Wyndham Dubai JBR. Once you step outside, there's already so much to see within walking distance. There are so many places to stop for food or coffee, including familiar restaurants like the Cheesecake Factory, along with plenty of other dining choices throughout the area. And then we finally reached the beach. This was probably our favorite view of the afternoon. Right across the water, we had a beautiful view of Ain Dubai, with the sun slowly getting lower beside it. The warm golden light reflecting on the sea made it the perfect time to simply stop, enjoy the view, and take some photos. Out on the water, there was plenty of activity too, with boats and cruises passing by, while jet skis could be seen speeding across the sea. As we continued along the beachfront, we could look back toward the impressive JBR skyline with its rows of high-rise buildings glowing in the late afternoon sunlight. You have the beach on one side, restaurants and cafes on the other, and the Dubai skyline surrounding you. We didn't really have a fixed destination. We simply enjoyed walking around, taking in the scenery, and watching the area slowly transition from afternoon into evening. And with Ain Dubai against the sunset, this turned out to be such a beautiful way to spend the first day of our one-night staycation here in JBR. It was nice to just stand by the window for a while and watch the lights and the cars passing below. After a full afternoon of walking and exploring, we were definitely ready to call it a night, so it's time to get comfortable, relax, and get some much-needed sleep. Breakfast is included with our stay. And now, let's see what's available. The breakfast is served buffet style with a good selection of both hot and cold dishes. At the cold section, there are fresh vegetables and salads, tomatoes, cucumbers, different cheeses, olives, and other breakfast choices. Moving over to the hot section, we have some familiar breakfast favorites, including scrambled eggs, baked beans, sausages, pancakes, and other warm dishes. There's also a cereal station with different choices along with milk and other breakfast items. And of course, we can't start the morning without coffee. There's a coffee machine where you can prepare your favorite cup along with a selection of other drinks. We had scrambled eggs, sausages, pancakes, baked beans, salads, some cold cuts, pastries, and fruit, together with orange juice and coffee. And just like that, we've finished our breakfast and it's time to head back to our room. After a filling breakfast, we spent a little more time relaxing before packing our things and getting ready to check out. Our one-night stay here at Ramada Hotel and Suites by Wyndham Dubai JBR may have been short, but we really enjoyed our little staycation.